What's going on, YouTube? I haven't made a video in a while. It's been about a month. I just wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers. I think the channel just hit 54 subscribers, which is absolutely awesome. I didn't expect the channel to be growing. It kind of, you know, all the comments, likes, and subscribers we've been getting, it keeps me wanting putting out content. But anyways, let's get into the video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the dash camera that I use in my vehicle. It's an 8-man dash camera. I got it off Amazon. I'm going to link it down below, but during one of the first snowstorms we had here, horrible driver. He runs a red light, barely stops at the light, just goes in the ditch. I'll show you guys that video while I'm talking here. That's live footage. It was overcast that day. There's snow on the road. The video looks really white. I'm also going to throw another clip of just regular footage from the daytime when it's not overcast. And then I'll try to get a footage of the rear shot, the rear camera, and then footage of night of both the front and rear camera as well. I wanted to say, this dash camera is awesome. If you guys are looking to get a dash camera, this is perfect for you guys. This dash camera is around $60 on Amazon. Whether you're installing a car, truck, SUV, it's great to have that just in case you get in an accident. You need it for legal reasons. It's going to be a great thing to have. I recommend everyone have a dash camera if they can afford it. Obviously there's a million other dash cameras out there, but this is just the one that I use. I'm going to link it down below in the description if you guys are interested. Functionality of the camera is super easy to go through the menu. It comes with a book on how to set it up. I'm not going to be going over that. It does come with a 32 gigabyte micro SD card. Once the micro SD card is full, it's a loop recording camera, so it'll go to the very first file that it will override it with the newest video. So there's the dash camera. Sorry I'm recording at nighttime. I don't know what's going on with my GoPro, but the footage that I got earlier, the audio is really crappy. So I'm trying to record it with better audio. But here's the micro SD card right on the side here. Here's all the controls. Like I said, those are all in the owner's manual. You guys can easy setup, installation. You can go through all the settings. There's a little knob here to adjust the camera angle. Fits nice and flush right behind my mirror, which is real nice. For installing this, I just ran the two, well, you can see it, there's two wires right underneath the ceiling trim there, and I ran it down behind this. All you need here is a plastic pry tool. Just pry up, and then this one you just pry down. From this side, there's two bolts in here. Take those out. Your power cable, you can just run it straight down here. You can drop it through your dash, end up on the floor here. And I don't know how well you guys can see, but I ran it and I went through the firewall back here. Two bolts on that, pull that plate off, drill a small little hole through the foam piece there, run the wire to the fuse box. Sorry, I got the vehicle running. It might be kind of loud, but get to the fuse box. Run it down here. So this is originally a 5-volt output cigarette plug. So what I did was I took apart that cigarette outlet and I basically ran into the positive is the front one and the two on the side of the ground. I can't remember, vice versa. It's super simple though. That's basically powering that. I ran it right into my fuse box. Just tapped right into one of these two. I don't remember which one I did. But anyways, whatever fuse you pull out, go ahead and put the regular fuse on the bottom and then use a 5-amp fuse on top. I'll link the fuse taps in the description as well. So what I actually did, I ended up doing was taking apart the cigarette input. Just grab some pliers, pull that thing apart, wrap your wire around the head, which is the positive, and then your ground is going to be the two side leads that would sit on the wall of the cigarette outlet. That's basically your resistor, so you don't want to have too much. You don't want to have 12 volts going directly to your dash camera because you will fry your dash camera. As far as my rear camera, I don't know how well you guys can see right back there. There's that little cube. comes as a little cube. It's already pre-wired. The wire is super long, so you don't have to worry about getting extra wire. I just drilled 2 little holes where the screws are there, and then I screwed it in right to the trim above the window. I ran the cord through the headliner again, all the way up through here, all the way through here, back up to here, back up to the dash cam. So that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope this helped you guys. Thanks for watching.